Emuve nyingi birahante by'abanyishengero ba Bugangizi East hamwe na Bugangizi South. Omuri Bugangizi East Onesmus twina masiko n'uwasingira Akaruraka n'obururo mutwaro gumwe kenda rushanju kagana ibiri okurigera hari urukure byo kuteza obururo mu district ya Kakumiro gonzaga baruhanga bitoneraga ba Aisha Braka kandi ari mu Ntebeje atunjira obururo mutwaro gumwe 10,300 ayanjire kwikirize birugiro mu Karuraka. Godfrey Kusima watunjira obururo mutwaro gumwe 2,553 kandi Dr. Karuhanga de Gracias atunga obururo rwena nkagana mukaga.
Honorable Twina Masiko Nismas, total code is 19,762, percentage 41.7%. Kusima Godfrey.
No, police.
You can't. You cannot declare him.
Yeah.
We have so many villages that have been signed by one person. I can't accept. You can't. This is real total theft. Fraud.
Echi jemeseriza byo kwerinda kutaha umunshongezi kandi baragira urukore byo kuteza Akaruuru Eby'Okurangirira wasinga rera bino kwetombwitwa bakutwara umuriza office y'ishemerire barukuratira nkuko biragiro biri kubaragira.
Where we fail to agree, we are going to use the rules. But to declare, whoever has grievances will appeal.
Bwanyuma Onesmus twina masiko arangiriwe nko musinguzi wa Karuraka bitakavuyo kayongera amani obamwe abantu baburijo barukwenda kurwana na polisi. Onesmus asinjere ruhanga bwa Karuraka kasinjire kandi nagira ngo arabero muri byinge na munonga kwikabusinguza obu.
After all this struggle, after being beaten, after being injured because of winning this election, now these are the results.
Akabugangizi South ko tukarangirirwe habwo kurema kwikirizingana hagati ya Joseph Atumwesije hamwe na Professor George William Rubega hanshonga yo kugira ngo hanshonga yo ko bururu butirwe umutanu kanso ya igayaza. Echi jemeserize nenganzi yihanga Robin na Banja na ukwetombwitwa.
I got 211 votes. And my other contestants got those ones. The Tara Center here has this. We batadeko Zembuganyi okubutekako. Baba badde babutekako babire candidate omusajja. Wanobo baina Rwenda.
Professor George William Rubega nagira ngo ba agent be babatire kandi Akaruuru bakiba.
Ekibaddewo Bwigayaza it is home area. They beat up my people, the agents, the polling agents. They sent them away to 14 polling stations. When they disappeared, then for them, they voted alone and doctored or generated polling stations by them. I mean, polling DR forms by themselves.
Omuri Bugangizi West Minister w'ebyentambura arangirire nko musinguzi atine cyakanisa ebiciro bitiyo enganzi yihanga Robin na Banja Karura keye hantebe yo myishingiro kazabwa district ya Kakumiro akasingira higuru munonga rukutungo bururu emtwari 10 rukumi rukagana na mwenda ababira yesimbere nabo Grace bataringaya tunjiro bururu omutwaro gumwe kana 52 naba surprise magezi yatunjiro bururu 12 kandi hari yetuburu hasari yatungo bururu 29.
I therefore declare Right Honorable Nabanja Robina, who has brought the highest number of votes, representing 83%, as the duly elected NRM flag bearer for Kakumiro District Woman Member of Parliament 2025.
Gasha Onesmus turi yabo.